So in our last video we made this, but let's make it as a Pokemon card. So to do that, go to here and let's Flutter to let's change here to Pokemon card. Now refresh it. It's alright. So now let's remove this space. It's too much. So here I'm just need like 20. Reload it. See, not even it's too long. I only need 10. Reload it. It's better. Now this space also. It's no lags. We need like 10. Right, it's a bit better. Let's give it name Pokemon Snorlax. Then let's create our new text. Let's create size box of 10. This is because in this line we have missed comma. Now let's create new text widget and type. Then let's get another comma. Type. Then let's search for Snorlax Pokemon. So open this one. We need to let's add this as a description. In here, description. Then in here we need type normal, weakness fighting. Alright, weakness. Alright, we need type normal. Then we need weakness fighting. Let's restart it. Sorry, where did they? There is an issue here. Sorry, I don't. This line should be padding should be before this one. Now run it. Let's go to our app. Now it's going great. So we need to create a bit of a space. So for that, let's give it 5. Then 5 and list or app center. Just reload it. Now open your app. It's a bit better. This text is too much bigger, so let's give it like 25. Alright, now I think let's remove this one. Then let's create another one, like another property. Our weakness type Snorlax. Okay, this is better. 2 line is better. So we're gonna use the basic only. So this, all right. So you can also say let's make it as a Pokédex. A Pokemon card is fine. Let's give it. Let's change our app bar as well. This app bar. We need to change our app bar, right? So to change our app bar, inside app bar, background, color, then colors dot red. Then let's give it a 800 or something. We started. Now it's better. Pokemon card. So congratulations, you just finished your Pokemon card.